Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Priyashish Rasta and today I am comparing two Nerf guns. I have the Nerf Light Fire Strike gun and I have the Captain America shield from Hasbro. And this is for 800 rupees and this one is for 2000 rupees, and we will and I will, after I review these two products, I will have a race of these two, how fast the dart goes. So let's first look at the fire strike gun. So you can load this up like this and you can shoot your dart. You can store your darts here. You can put your dart and load and shoot it. I don't know what this button is for. This button is for your light. You can put cells here and the light will open. Now let's look at the Captain America shield from Hasbro. So when you press this star button, the shield opens up in half side. So here I have my two darts. So now I show you this. You can put two darts in here, but you cannot shoot two darts at the same time. You can put your darts here to store here. You push this button to shoot. You load this here, and this is you can do like this, and the half shield will close. Now the shield will close with this. So now let's have the race between these two products. So I will put each dart in each gun. I will load these. I will load them. So now we will have the race. So now we will have the race. Now let's go and have a race. So I am here to do the race. So let's go. 1, 2, 3. I think the shield wins. This really priced 2000 because this was enough faster than this gun. So this shield wins. I'm going to pick up the darts really quick. So now I know this is a better gun to have a price of 2000, and this is a cheap gun to have a slower dart shooting. So this is my video for the comparison of two Nerf guns. One from Hasbro and one from Nerf Elite. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.